Hey guys, Mary here. Welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm videoing for you while Hurricane Harvey is happening. It's been like 2 days since it's kind of been on and off, but tonight it's been the worst. Everything is flooding. All my friends' cars are flooded out. Like we just got farm animals because I just moved to a farm, and all my animals are freaking out. Like my backyard is flooded, my front yard's flooded, everything's flooded. We have a leak on our roof, power's going in and out. So like I'm just trying to like make sure all my friends are safe and like chilling. And then today's Saturday, and the fight just happened with McGregor and Mayweather. So everyone's like stuck at like houses or like whenever they went to go eat. So I'm just making sure they're all okay. I'm gonna show you some of the storm. It's just been really scary and crazy, and I hate lightning. Like, I hate it. It scares me so much. Like, I don't even know why. It just does. Okay, so I'm going to show you some footage of, like, the craziness. It's kind of, like, it's been, like, an hour, 2 hours since it's been, like, heavy pouring, storming. So now it's kind of light, so I'm going to see if I can go outside because I was too scared to go outside earlier. Okay, so I'm going to show you some of it. So I'm outside right now, my camera's all wet. Super windy, super windy. I don't know if you can really tell, but like the whole backyard is flooded right now. I can't really get good lighting, but I'm trying to show you guys. That's like, I have 5 acres, and that's almost all the way. Look at Harvey! We're getting buckets because our roof is flooding.
Some what?
Some waters.
Now, I think this is beyond this. We're gonna go into a hotel.
You want some plastic bags, honey? Black trash bags to at least.
I have to see if I have a way where I'll be able to kind of support them.
Well, you don't have to support them, just like open them, and that gives you at least a. I mean, it's better than nothing.
Wait, we're going to a hotel?
No.
Oh.
Do you want the trash bag? You want the trash can?
No, not yet. I already took the one out of the one that we don't like.
Wait, how much longer is it supposed to rain? Can I go up here? Oh, jeez. Where is it leaking? Where is it the worst?
The worst one's probably over there. And then over there.
How'd you even
next.
find them? Oh yeah.
You listen. Just listen for them.
Listen to it fall.
Listen for the drips. And then go looking. You don't walk over there.
I'm not.
Sheetrock can fall in. And then you feel it land on your head. That's usually a pretty good sign too.
This is scary, y'all. So, my friend told me, K-Dog, shout out to you. She told me, she said, if you flood, go to the attic. Bring a chainsaw, because most people don't do that. They don't bring anything to break out of the roof with. Then they end up drowning because the water fills up their house and they end up dying. I'm like, okay, let me just grab my chainsaw and bring it upstairs. I'd do it though. I'm not drowning today. Ain't no swimming for me. But we're gonna be stuck here for a while. My friend Morgan, her power's out and she had to move her car because it was getting flooded. Shout out to you, Morgans. Okay, here, you can hand them to me and I'll just put them up here. What is this? A hamper?
Yeah. There are a lot of leaks up there.
There's like a lot of, there's like a couple of really bad ones, but and other ones aren't that bad.
Okay.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna go back to my room and see if I can try to forget about what's going on.
This is crazy. I didn't think it was gonna be this bad at all.
Worst case scenario, if he needs one more, use that plastic basket of yours and line it with a black trash bag.
Okay. Poor mom. She's mad.
I gotta go poop because my tummy hurts.
Okay, that's my mom. Kiki, are you scared? Oh, are you scared? No, you're just having a good time. Alright, y'all, this is bad lighting, but that's about it. That's all I can really film right now while the power's still on, but my dad's laughing at himself in the attic. Okay, so what are they saying? Okay, so I'll hit y'all back tomorrow. I'm gonna show y'all like the aftermath, everything like that, all video, like what everything looks like tomorrow. To see, yeah. So, peace out. Thanks for watching. Yes, 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 yes. Turn up, turn up, turn up. All right, so I'm just gonna like eat ice cream and like chill, watch Netflix tonight, because that's all I can really do. So, peace out, love y'all. I'll hit y'all back later with some more footage. Okay, love you. Bye. Oh, what's wrong? What's wrong, babies?
Where are you going?
To go see
Taking pictures?
what all's, yeah, flooded. Alright, y'all. I am back today. I just did a clothing haul for you that I'm gonna post soon. And then this is just the next day. So last night it was storming like crazy, flooding, 24 inches of rain. All my friends' cars are under. Everything's really bad, and people are getting rescued from their houses and stuff. But luckily where I live like on a farm, so all of the water got soaked up in our pond because we just got it, and most of it flooded in there. And then most of the water has kind of gone away today, but I'm just going to show you like what it looks like now. It's supposed to rain all the time until Wednesday. So lordy, this is what it all looks like. Here's my pup. She keeps whining and hey guys. All right, so this is the front. All the horses and animals are like outside. It's not that bad. There's poop everywhere now. But like I wanted to film for y'all last night when it was crazy, but I literally like my camera would have like gotten soaked, so couldn't really do that. But so the water came all the way up to here. It was all the way up to here, and there's my house. So oh,
delicious.
thank God I did not do that.
That's what I hate. My fingers are big. With giant manly hands.
Well, I think that will conclude my video for the time being. I might post now or later. I don't know. But poor animals. Poor babies. Poor babies. Alright guys. Sorry if I look like poop, but it's like super humid here. And alright, so subscribe. Oh, look at that big poop. That's gross. Alright, so I'll see y'all later. Watch my video, subscribe, like, and I'll catch y'all later.